In order to connect internet lead providers to your account, go to Administration Web Lead Setup. Find the providers you work with on the list and click the Settings gear button to choose which assigned groups you want to use to distribute each lead type to. You can also choose a folder leads can land in as they hit the system. The Add to Basic Workflow column will allow you to have the leads coming in from these sources go right to a basic workflow as they enter the system, which will trigger automated workflow follow-up actions such as sending emails on your behalf. We will cover basic workflows in detail later in the onboarding series. Once you've made the choices on all the providers you need to update, look at the top of your web lead setup page. The link I'm highlighting here is your posting URL. Each account has a unique URL that you can give to the providers you work with. They need to send the web leads through that URL, and the leads will appear in your Lead Manager account and go through the appropriate assign process you've chosen. Some providers only need part of the posting URL, and some may use the entire URL, so pay close attention to where you submit that information on your provider's delivery pages. To import a list of leads, you will need your list formatted as a .csv file type. When you have your CSV spreadsheet saved, go to Administration, Import Leads. Select the file by either navigating to the file or drag and drop it into your web browser. Click Upload to continue. From here, you'll want to choose a lead source. If there are any Allstate customers on the list, choose Customer to ensure they will not be scrubbed out of the system. Also, you can update the import name to identify the list, choose the appropriate status, and optionally choose to add leads to a folder. Most of your fields should automatically map to the correct place. Drag and drop any additional imported field boxes into the appropriate tabs on Lead Manager. The imported fields are the column headers on your spreadsheet, and the drag and drop process is how we tell the system where to store the data. The required fields on Lead Manager are first and last name, address 1, city, state, and zip code. Once you've gone through the different tabs and filled in everything you want to save, click the blue Import button. If there are any errors based on missing information or invalid data, the error text in red will let you know what's going on. To see the errors, click the View Full Error Details link, and you'll see what lines in the spreadsheet need correction. Once the import is complete, the system will give you the option to assign these leads based on an auto-assign group right from the results page. Select the group you want to assign the leads to, and it will equally split them up between the users in the assign group. To add a single lead to the system manually, go to the Leads menu and click the Add New Lead button. Fill out the lead form and click the Add New Lead button at the bottom to save it. Notice this checkbox is automatically checked, so the lead assigns itself to your profile as it's created. If you wish to leave it unassigned, uncheck the box before clicking Save. The new lead will be created and open a lead log for you to begin taking notes. Thanks for watching. For more training and resources, go to the Resource Center tab on your Lead Manager account. This will display up-to-date enhancement videos, along with upcoming webinars and videos on specific topics found under Education.